Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to delete your Syng account, Syng contacts, the option of Syng contacts on TikTok. So the first step is go to the application of TikTok, and here in your feed you need to go to the down right corner in the option of your profile. You pick here, and after that you need to go to the superior right corner. In the bottom of these three lines, this option is for settings and privacy. You need to pick here, and TikTok gives it to you a little panel with three options in the down part of your phone. You pick in the option of settings and privacy, and after that you need to pick in the second option of privacy. You pick in privacy, and you need to go to the option of Syng contacts and Facebook friends. So if you want to delete, deactivate it, disable this option, is pick here in this switch, in this blue switch, and deactivated the option of Syng contact. So after that, the only thing you need to do is refresh your application, and you got this option deactivated. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.